The media library is your friend. Using this section properly will help you streamline your page build. Before you begin to think about uploading files or images into the media library, you must make sure they are properly sized and formatted. There are two different types of files you will be uploading into the media library. Document files like PDFs, PowerPoints, Excel spreadsheets, and Word documents should not exceed 40 megabytes in size. Image files like JPEGs, GIFs, or PNGs should not exceed 15 megabytes in size. You will need to size and format your files in an external editor like Photoshop, MS Paint, Adobe Acrobat, or Microsoft Office Picture Manager. You should not attempt to resize images or files in Sitecore. Uploading the wrong size files to begin with will make your page build several times more complicated than it needs to be. There are plenty of online tutorials for specific external editing programs online. They should be able to walk you through resizing your images within your preferred program. Now that you have properly sized and formatted both your document and image files, let's talk about where they need to go. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see the media tree with the folder Media Library. Open this folder and you will see a list of subfolders. As you can see, there is a Files folder and an Images folder. Document files need to be loaded into their proper section within the Files folder. Image files will need to be loaded into their proper section within the Images folder. You will need to upload into your department's proper folders, BBA into BBA, MBA into MBA, etc. Let's try uploading a document file. First, you will need to open the Files folder and find the correct subfolder for your department to upload files into. Keep in mind some subfolders will have even more subfolders within them. Find the folder most specific to your page. Whatever you do, do not just upload a file into the parent files folder. Being specific about where you upload your file will help you locate them later for your site build. Being specific will also make sure that your document is not deleted. Once you have located the specific folder to which your document content will be uploaded, make sure the proper folder is selected. Now let's actually upload something. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the Media Loading dock. At the top of this section, you will see an icon to upload a file. Click this icon and you will be prompted to find the file within your computer that you would like to upload. For an efficient workflow, I would suggest creating a specific folder on your personal desktop where you can store all of the properly formatted files and images you will be uploading into the Sitecore interface. Navigate to your file, click it, and then click Open. You may want to consider using the bulk upload option if you are uploading multiple files into the same folder. To bulk upload, instead of clicking on just one file when prompted, you can hold down the Control key and click on every file you want to upload, then click Open. Or you may click, hold down, and drag over the files to select them in bulk. We strongly suggest you upload all of the files you will be using for your page build in one sitting if you can. It will be very helpful when constructing the actual page later. It will also make sure that you keep all the related files safely in the same folder within the media library. Now we should move on to uploading an image file. Please remember to have your images properly sized before you upload them. Files that are too large or too pixelated will cause problems and look unprofessional on your live site. Uploading an image file is very similar to uploading a document file. Under the Images folder, you want to open MSB. Then find your specific subfolder and load your images into that folder. If you open your subfolder and see a whole mess of images in there, you may want to consider creating a folder within this area for your images so you can find them more easily. We suggest creating a subfolder within your parent folder for your page-specific images. Right-click on the parent folder and you will see a list of options pop up. Click Insert, then click Media Folder. A pop-up will appear asking you to name the file. Give it a name you will recognize. Press OK. You have now made a folder. You may need to scroll down to find your new folder under the parent folder. Now that you have created your folder, let's upload your image files into it. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the Media Loading dock. You will see an icon at the top of your screen to upload your images. Click it. Find the image you would like to upload, select it, and then click Open. You will now see the image appear in the Media Loading Dock window, which has a little red "One Warning" alert underneath the dimensions. This is because the alt text field is empty. To fix it, you will need to attach alt text to your image. Think of it as a caption for your image. This is so that visually impaired users of the website can have an idea of the image content. To add alt text, left-click the image and a content editor window will open. Beneath the image, you will see File Path, and right below that you will see Alt, with an empty box beneath it. Enter in your alt text. This just needs to be a useful description of the image. Then press Save in the upper left-hand corner. You may also use the bulk upload option for images, but keep in mind they will all need their individual alt text fields added, and they will all need to be individually saved. Please remember that you must put all your properly sized images and documents in their proper folders and subfolders. Any image files that are uploaded willy-nilly into the media library will be sent to the image bin folder, where they will inevitably be deleted. Don't let deletion happen to you. Use the folders or suffer the web team's wrath. Keep your image folders clean and tidy. If you aren't using an image, delete it. Now let's move on to the next video and start using your image files.